In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious bacon wrapped sandwich appetizer recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 4 slices of bread without the crust, 8 slices of bacon cut in half, half a cup of cream cheese, and toothpicks. On one side of a piece of bread, we're going to spread the cream cheese. We're going to place another slice of bread over this. We're going to cut each sandwich into 8 squares. We're going to wrap each of our squares in bacon. Secure with a toothpick and place on a baking sheet. We're going to bake these in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 22 minutes. Our bacon wrapped sandwich appetizer is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.